The news that iOS device users have been waiting for absolutely months is finally here. DJI have early released the SDK or software development kit, allowing support for drones such as the DJI Air 2S, the DJI Mini 2 and of course the DJI Mini SE. All the details coming right up. So what is an SDK? If you don't already know, an SDK stands for Software Development Kit, and basically it allows third-party companies such as Litchi, Rainbow or Dronelink, for example, to be able to control DJI drones such as these. So why should you use a third-party app such as Litchi rather than the DJI Fly app? Well, quite simply, if you have a drone such as the DJI Air 2S, this thing is pretty much all singing, all dancing, and you've got absolutely huge amounts of smart modes and clever tech, and you might be quite happy with the features that you have got on a drone such as this. But if you have a drone such as the DJI Mini 2, these third-party apps give you an absolutely increased amount of functionality. Features such as waypoints, active track, focus track, GPS follow, all sorts of stuff will now be available using these third-party apps, making drones such as the DJI Mini 2 pretty much how you wished it would be, and pretty much turning it into what most people's wish list would actually be for the DJI Mini 3. Now, I have actually reviewed Litchi quite extensively on this channel. The reason for this is because I do actually use an Android device. My phone's upside down. I use an Android device, and DJI released mobile SDK for Android devices back at the end of December. So Android devices, obviously, or Android users know exactly what to expect. But if you don't know what to expect and you are keen to find out exactly what you might now be able to do with your DJI Mini 2 or Mini SE, and just a little side note, guys, Litchi for iOS does actually support the DJI Mavic Mini and the Mavic Air 2 already, so if you've got either of those drones, you can get on with it straight away. But if you're not entirely sure and you want to check it out, I've done a full array of videos showing all the features, including active track, follow, GPS follow, all the cool stuff, and of course I've also done a full app walkthrough as well. So if you want to familiarize yourself with all the layout of Litchi, if it's something that interests you, of course you can check out the video and go and see exactly what it's all about. Now, I do appreciate that these apps or third-party apps are not for everybody, and you might be more than happy with the DJI Fly app. Of course, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but of course this video is raising awareness for those that actually do want to explore those additional functions through third-party software. Now, I have once again been speaking to Litchi, who have actually confirmed that even though DJI only released the SDK today, the 10th of March, they plan to release the beta version of their iOS software, allowing support for drones such as the Mini 2 imminently today, they said, as you can see on screen, with the full public version going live hopefully in the next few days, depending on how tested it actually goes. And this is similar to what we saw with the Android timescale as well, so incredibly promising. So one thing I feel is important to mention at this point as a little disclaimer: using third-party apps may void your warranty on your drone. However, I have had numerous conversations with DJI directly, who claim that if you have a DJI Care Refresh plan, they will still of course cover you. And of course I do have an affiliate, if I'm completely honest, with the UK drone insurer Cover Drone, so those guys absolutely guarantee the use of third-party apps will actually be covered in the eventuality of a crash. So if you do feel like getting a quote from them, I will leave a link down in the video description. So guys, please do let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Are you a long-awaited iOS user wanting this software? Are you not bothered? Either way, let me know in the comment section below. However, if you do have a bit of spare time and you want to learn all about Litchi, you can access my Litchi playlist using this little card here, and that will take you to all the videos that I have covered using a variety of drones such as the Mavic Mini and of course the Mini 2. Until next time, fly safe and see you again soon.